welcome back to the channel. This video I know a lot of people are waiting for. It's been over 2 months since I last posted a video on my 370Z, and now I finally have my car completely done and I'm gonna reveal it on this video. Now for this video, I'm gonna put all of the footage I have, so it might end up being a pretty long video. I'm gonna put timestamps in the next little clip and you can skip to whatever you wanna see. So if you don't want to see the process, you don't want to see any of that, you just want to see the final product of my car, you can have a timestamp and you can skip right to it without having to watch everything else. If you've been following along this build, you know that I ordered this kit back in September of 2023, and 7 months later, I was finally shipped and received the kit. I drove to Montana to pick it up since we are from Alberta, Canada, and upon driving 4.5 hours to pick up my kit, I opened it and realized I was sent the wrong kit. I'm gonna include some of the clips of when I found out it was the wrong kit. I was pretty upset, but I'll explain what I ended up doing after those clips. I don't even know how to start this video, but if you want me to summarize my life, I waited 7 months for a body kit and they sent me the wrong one. So that's what's behind me. Waited 7 months for it, picked it up, no carbon fiber on it whatsoever. I'm just frustrated at this point. I waited so long for it and it's just annoying, but I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know yet. So I also just don't know if I was to get sent the right kit, I don't know how long that would take. So probably a couple more months, and it's already mid-April. I don't really know when the kit would get here. So if I don't use this kit, then I probably won't be driving my car over summer. So I don't know what to do. Now that it's a couple days later, I finally had time to think about everything and kind of figure out what I was gonna do with having the wrong version of the kit that I ordered. I was able to reach out to the company and we worked something out between the two of us, which was absolutely great. It was a little bit painful, but we worked through it and came to a decision that we were both somewhat happy with in the end. So I did end up keeping the kit. So now I just have a fiberglass kit and there's no partial carbon, which I am a little bit upset about, but it's not the end of the world. Now, upon deciding I was going to keep the kit, I then dropped it off to get body work done. I don't really have too many clips of this part just because it's done at a shop. It was done by Infamous Aero in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I do have a couple pictures and videos of the car at the body shop getting the work done, and then I will try to include a final product of the bodywork before it gets wrapped. And yes, I did say get wrapped. Ooh. So I wasn't planning on getting it wrapped, I was planning on getting it painted, but here we are. I did it, it's getting wrapped, so I'm very excited about that. Not only is the car gonna have a full body kit, it's also gonna be wrapped, and I also installed coilovers at the same time, which I didn't do a video about. So the car is gonna come out looking completely different, and I am so excited. Well, today is the day I'm dropping my Z with the kit to get all the bodywork and all the fitment done before I get it wrapped. I'm super excited, kind of nervous to see how the fitment of everything works, but we'll see. Next time I see it, it'll be completely different. And as I promised, here are a couple pictures of the car at Infamous Aero getting the bodywork done and getting the kit mounted to the car. Now the car is off to Custom Decals YYC in Calgary, Alberta to get disassembled and ready for wrap. So today is the day I get to see my car done. All the bodywork is done, the wrap is done, the car is complete. So we just got to Calgary, we got to the shop that did it, and I get to see my car. And keep in mind, I haven't seen the car, like with all the bodywork and parts on, I haven't seen it done at all. and I've only seen black and white pictures, so I haven't seen the car. So this is a raw reaction of me seeing the car for the first time, completely done.
Straight.
I feel like I'm gonna hit something.
You're good. You're good. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, she's hyped.
That looks so good.
That's your car.
Holy crap. It looks so much better in person.
Yeah.
Z's, man. The Z's are something else.
Dude, this kid is something else. This kid just changed the entire.
This color is insane.
Yeah, the Periwinkle blue is beautiful.
Oh.
What up, baby?
Damn. Look at the rear bumper. It's crazy.
That was a little tough.
Oh.
This color's hot.
You like the kit?
This thing is fucking crazy.
This
Yeah,
color is insane.
Yeah. Smart killed it with the wrap install too.
Yeah.
That was a tough
I zoomed down on her face.
one. Nice.
Oh.
That's hot.
My
Yeah, what do you think, Adam?
gosh.
That's sick.
I'm so happy with this color.
Jealous.
Yo, Adam's jealous now.
You chose a good color. You chose a good color.
Oh my god.
And the black roof.
Yeah, check out the front end.
Worked a lot better than I thought,
I think it flows with the wing.
Yes.
From the
It
back.
does.
Glass.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the user thing works.
Wow.
That's
Yeah, that's
I
really
am so happy.
awesome.
Wow. Wow.
It looks so good.
This is crazy.
22 pieces in there.
Is it a turn car?
You guys said
You hear that?
awesome.
We're pushing this in.
Thank you.
Your rear bumper is 22 pieces.
Yeah.
This thing's low.
I think the black
Yeah, the
itself
kit's
is
low.
like
Yeah, so
9 pieces or 6, 7 pieces. So.
Like in here?
Yeah, because I had to do like 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. So yeah, this is like 7, and then the rest is like.
Multiple pieces.
This looks good.
Yeah.
I like the black. Yeah.
I think it works really well.
Yeah.
So we did different colors.
It just ties in because like the wing, the roof, the glass, it brings it down.
I agree.
I feel like the blue would have like, I don't know,
Yeah.
it would have just like not been as aggressive.
Wow.
It's so good.
This looks so good. Wow.
Oh, have a seat back.
It's outside. It looks so good. So I'm currently driving my car home and I am absolutely blown away with the results. It's going to be pretty late by the time I get home, but I'm going to do an in-depth walkthrough around the car tomorrow. It is now the next morning. I have had my car overnight. It did actually snow outside, which is lovely. I did not brush any of the snow off because I didn't want to scratch the wrap. So I just drove it to the shop here and I'm just letting it all melt. But I am absolutely thrilled with how this car turned out. It looks amazing. This color is by Luminous Films and it's an ultra high gloss wrap, so you can see the insane gloss on it. I am absolutely in love with it. I am so happy with this color and the quality of the wrap is so good. I am so excited to start driving around with it. It looks insane. Look at that. Now I'm just going to show you guys some of my favorite parts about the car and some of the different things that we did. As you can see here, I did exposed carbon hood vents, which I think look awesome. And down here, I still have my DRLs exposed, which usually there's like a mesh grill here and here, but the body tech who did this was able to like manipulate it so I could have the light still, which looks so good. And I also opted for a color matched banner, which I think just pulls the color in like this area. And then I went with a black roof, which I was kind of 50-50 on. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do like the periwinkle color or the black, but I think it looks really good. And it ties in with, well, you can't see it because of all the snow, but the carbon here, it ties in well with the roof. And then we did this part black here. If you remember a couple clips ago, I said I was delivered the wrong kit. This part here was supposed to be all carbon. Obviously, it's not. So we ended up wrapping this part black, and I think it looks amazing. I hope you guys are enjoying the car as much as I am. I am absolutely thrilled with how the car turned out. I just want to give a shout out to Nick from Infamous Aero. He did all of the bodywork on this car, and it looks absolutely perfect and flawless. The next people I want to give a shout out to are the boys and Shamar from Custom Decals. The wrap is so amazing. The quality is perfect. I have endless amazing things to say about the wrap. When this video is live, my car will be at a show called Driven in Calgary, and that'll be the first that everyone will get to see the color. So I'm gonna release it on Instagram, YouTube, and it's gonna be at the show all at the same time on Saturday. So everyone will kind of get to see it at the same time, which is pretty exciting. If anyone has any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will reply to them when I can. Or you can shoot me a message on my Instagram and I will get back to you there as well. And I will be posting a lot of pictures and a lot of content there, so go check that out as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till the next one, peace out.